Hi viewers, welcome to this video, and today I will be teaching you how to upload music to Spotify. So just let's start. So first of all, open up your Spotify application, and after opening up your Spotify application, go to its settings, and after going on to settings, you guys have to scroll down a bit and you guys have to locate for show local file option. So just click on show local file option, and after clicking up on show local files option, all the audio files or music from your laptop will laptop or PC will auto shown on your Spotify, just like here is showing local files. And if you want to add some custom music of your choice, just click up on add a source and you guys can add your custom sound or music from here. And after adding, you guys have to click up on local files, and from here you guys can add any type of song you like to add to your playlist. Just like I have to add this song, I will click up on this plus icon, and as you guys can see, it has been added to my playlist. It's easy, and that's how you guys can easily upload music to Spotify. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.